Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Underdog Eats, just on the confused. And I have a new package. Something that I didn't tell you guys also, you know. And this is, I don't know if I like the slippers like this. Anyway, from Amazon. My mom opened it already to look what the package actually was, because she forgot that she ordered it for me. So, but it's very nice. Oh, that's too bad. It would be perfect if it was stuck. It's like, wow, not even in the middle. Is this thing in the middle? It doesn't look like it. It looks a bit off. But it's like the friends from France, yeah, the Monica's door, only this is blue. Was the other one more purple? Yeah, which one they have is more purple, but why is this one blue? Well, Jesus, it's supposed, well, the official color is obviously a bit purplish, but this is a blue one. Nonetheless, it's very nice, you know. It's very nice. The hooks are also not even. This one is bigger than the others. It's the idea is nice, you know, but yes, I'm probably a bit of a stickler, but I like the details also to be more accurate, you know. Anywho, I will give this one 3 out of 5. It's rather okay, you know. The idea is 5 out of 5, but this thing is rather a 3 out of 5. What do you find of it? Put your opinion down below in the comment section. I will read all of them, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.